Can cats eat cooked eggs? Yes, cats can safely eat cooked eggs in moderation, and they actually provide a great source of lean protein and healthy amino acids. However, you should only offer them plain scrambled or boiled eggs, without any added salt, butter, oil, garlic, or onions, as these extra ingredients can make your pet sick. If you are wondering whether it is safe to feed cooked eggs to your cat, the answer is a clear yes, but they should only be given as an occasional treat rather than a main meal. When considering if felines can consume prepared eggs, remember that raw eggs should always be avoided because they can carry harmful bacteria like salmonella and contain a protein that blocks vitamin absorption. Before making any major changes to your pet's diet, it is always best to consult with a qualified veterinarian to ensure it meets your cat's specific nutritional needs. So if you want to know if cooked eggs are suitable for cats, plain and fully prepared options are a nutritious snack that most cats love. Just make sure to keep the portions small to prevent weight gain or digestive upset.